Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how to delete messages on Pinterest. Don't worry, this will be quick and easy guide, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so first we're gonna go ahead and open Pinterest, and once you've opened, we're gonna tap on the messages icon on the bottom right corner of our screen next to the profile icon. And once you've tapped here, you will be seeing a list of conversation that you've had on your account, and as you can see, there is one. And by the way, you cannot totally delete the whole conversation. All you can do is to remove it from the list, but not totally delete the messages. And this is how you do it. So let's go ahead and tap on the conversation, and once you're here, you will be seeing a settings icon on the top right corner of our screen, or an ellipsis icon. Let's go ahead and tap that, and as you can see, you can only hide, report, or block. But to remove this from the list of the messages, you can just go ahead and tap on the hide conversation, and once you've tapped it, then you refresh it, the conversation is now gone. But you can always search for the person, or you can just tap it here. If you can see it on the list, tap on the message, and you will be back to the conversation. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.